In this section, we're going to work on just 3 notes: treble clef, the 3 lines, E, B, and F. The E note, the F note, and the B note. And I'm going to show you how we're going to proceed. We're going to begin with very slow first, because I don't want to lose the beginners. We're going to start at 45 beats per minute, and then we will increase the speed. You will hear the note played, and when you hear the note sound, and you're going to call out the name of the note. I'll show you how we're going to do this. Here we go. E, F, B, E, F, B, E, B, E, B, F, B, 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 F, E, E, F, B, F, B, F, B, E, B, F, E, E. Alright, this is how we're going to proceed. 45 beats per minute is very slow, but I want you to gain the confidence at a slow speed first, and we will increase the speed. Make sure that you say your notes accurately. In the next video, you're going to do it on your own. When you hear the note sound, you call out the name. Alright, I'll see you in the next lecture.